Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to edit a video resume using Canva. So first open Canva and here click on the video icon. Now as you can see here you have to choose from the several options here. So I am choosing the video landscape, and after that we will see at the left hand side a panel will appear. Now here you have to search for video resume templates. So here we are going to type video resume templates, and as you can see here there are a lot of variety of professional designs. Pick the one that fits best for you. Now, after that, if you want to apply all of the pages, just click on apply all 9 pages. And after that, here you can see that all of the pages are applied. So you just have to adjust it by trimming from left to right, or like right to left. You just have to drag it and adjust it. You can also customize it by changing the text, the content, name, photos, even the video clips also. Now, to make it stand out, customize the font's colors, or you can also give animation. For example, like this, we are able to change the animation, the transaction or icons to highlight key points. And if you want background music or voiceover, go to the audio option, audio tab, and pick the track and adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. For example, something like I'm adding this song, so I'm just adding it and adjust it. Once it's added, so something like this. Finally, preview your video resume and make any adjustment, and when you are happy, click on the share button at the top right side. Download to export is as a MP4, and that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.